Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the lesson keeping clean, and we have finished the lesson. And in the today's class, we can discuss about the exercises related to this lesson. So, coming to the page number 182, all of you open the page number 182, and one by one exercises we can learn now. So, first A main evaluate. Take write the good habits and cross the bad habits. First, they have given here sentences. Which sentence is the good habits? Just tick it correct, and which sentence is the bad habit? Just tick it wrong. So, first one. Meera has a bath every morning. Meera has a bath every morning. Meera will bath every morning. Is it good habit or bad habit? Every day we should take bath is a good habit or bad habit? It is a good habit. Every day if we take bath means our body will be clean and we to look neat for everyone. So Meera has to take bath every day is the good habit. So if it is a good habit, tick the correct. So first one is tick correct. It is a good habit. Next second one. Ali does not wash his hands before eating. Ali does not washes his hands before eating. Whenever he'll go for whenever you'll go to eat any time or anything, before going to eat you should wash your hands compulsory. It's a good habit, but here Ali does not washes his hands before eating, so this is a bad habit. What he is doing is not washing his hands before eating, so this is the bad habit. So if it is a bad habit, it is wrong. So put the cross mark for second one is the bad habit, so put the cross mark. Next, third one. Tina wears a clean uniform. So, Tina will wear a clean uniform. Yes, if we wear clean uniform, clean clothes means it's a good habit itself. Why? Because we are wearing the neat and we are looking clean. So, it's a good habit. So, for take the right option for the third one. So, third one is the correct. So, take it as right. Next, fourth one. Ryan does not brush his teeth before going to bed. So Ryan does not brushes his teeth before going to the bed. What I am told, you should brush twice a day, once in the morning and while going to the sleep at the night. Twice you should brush your teeth every day. Twice means two times you should brush your teeth. But here Ryan does not brush his teeth before going to bed. So it's a bad habit. Why? Because he's not brushing his teeth before going to sleep. So it is a bad habit. So take the wrong for the fourth one. Why? If it is a bad habit, you should take wrong. So it's the bad habits. Next fourth one is also wrong. Okay, understood, children? Next, we can move to the next mail. B mail. Strike out the wrong word in each sentence. Just strike out the wrong word. Which word is wrong in this sentence? Just strike out it. So I'll just show you. Brush your teeth twice once a day. Which one is wrong in this? Brush your teeth twice or once. Twice is wrong or once is wrong. So once is wrong. Why? Because we should brush our teeth twice a day. Twice means two times per day. So what here they have given? So brush your teeth twice or once a day. So one time is the wrong word. So strike out the wrong word. So strike out the wrong word. Next one. Take a bath every day on take bath every day or on Sundays. When every day you should take bath, not only on Sundays. Every day you should take bath. So on Sundays is the wrong word. Just strike out like this. Just take your pencil and just strike out like this. Why? Because on Sunday is the wrong word. We should take bath every day is the correct word. Next, third one. Grow your nails to keep away germs. So you should trim your nails or you should grow your nails to keep away the germs. Which is the wrong word in this? Grow is the wrong word. Just strike out the grow. If we grow the nails, all the germs will be in our hands, nails itself. So it's the bad habit. So you should not grow your hands. So here grow is the wrong word. Just strike out it. Trim is the correct word. Wear dirty clean clothes after a bath. After a bath you will wear dirty clothes or clean clothes. So dirty clothes is the wrong word. So strike out the dirty. You should wear the clean clothes. So strike out the dirty one. So understood childrens? Okay. You can come to the C main. Page number 183. Answer in one or two words. With what do we clip our nails? With which one you'll clip your nails? With the nail clipper. With the nail clipper you'll clip your nails. So nailclipper. Nail clipper. So this is the nail clipper. Next. With what do you cover your mouth while coughing? So with the handkerchief you'll cover your mouth while coughing. HANDKERCHIEF. With the handkerchief you'll cover your mouth. With the handkerchief you'll cover your mouth while coughing. So next D main, answer in a sentence. I will upload the notes. And next coming to the E main, get busy. So circle the things which is good for each of your body parts. So they have given some these pictures. Just circle that pictures which is the correct one. So here brushing the teeth, eating, which is the first good one here. So brushing the teeth is first good one. So circle it. So next, here they have shown dirty hands, here they have shown hand wash. So which is the good habit in this? So hand wash is the good habit, so just circle it. Next, skin. The whole here is skin is covered with dirty and here is bathing. Which is the good habit in this? Bathing is the good habit, so circle the bathing. Next, nails. Is cutting the nails and here is all hand dirt and there is the long nails. Which is the correct in this? Which one is the good habit? So cutting the nails is, clipping the nails is the good habit, so round this. Next one, here she grows so many hairs, here there is a, she'll cut the hair. Which is the good one here? We should not leave more hairs also. So this is the good habit, just circle it. So once again see which are the good habits, you should circle this. Next one, pick your food. Circle the food items which are good for your health. So here they have given some food items. You should just circle it which are the good one for you. So here they have given juice, fish, pizza, watermelon, burger, bread, juice, tomato, chips and cake. Which are these? Which are the good food for our health? So fish is also good for our health. We can, if we eat fish, our eyes will be very much sharp. And this pizza is not good for health. Watermelon is also good. Burger is not good. Bread, okay, we can eat the bread. Next, juice is also we can drink, that it's good. Tomato we can eat. Chips, it's the bad thing. Cake, neither bad nor good. Just little bit we should have the cake. Next, page number 184. You know how to keep your body neat and clean. Now to be a doctor for your family and do a checkup of the family members. Complete the chat using the information collected. So now you want to know how your family is maintaining the neatness. So now be a doctor. Now you itself be a doctor in your family and just ask some questions to your family members and just complete this box. So how many times do you brush your teeth? Just go to your mother, go to your father, ask your father and brother sisters. So do you comb your hairs daily? Do you wash your hands before and after meals? Do you take bath daily? Do you keep your nails clean? Do you wash your hands after using toilet? Draw a happy face in your family members and keep clean. So here they have given some questions. Just go to your mother, father and brother and sister. Just ask these questions and just complete this box. Okay. So in the next class we can discuss about the next one.